So all right, in this video I'm going to be simplifying this arithmetic expression, and of course, for me to be able to simplify, we're going to be making use of the concept of BODMAS, right? Right. So BODMAS basically is the same thing as PEMDAS or PEDMAS, as it were. How do we solve this problem? The first thing is to write the BODMAS. So what does BODMAS say? BODMAS talks about brackets. Do we have brackets in this expression? No. Then the next thing is order. Order in this case is talking about the exponent, anything that carries power and the likes. Do we have it there? No. The next is, do we have division? No. The next is multiplication. Yes. So we have this side being connected together by multiplication sign. So the first thing we need to do is to first even convert everything to what? To their improper fraction equivalent. So one whole number, 1 over 2, can be written as 2 times 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So this will be what? 3 over 2, then plus 3 times 2, 6, plus 1. That is 7. That is 7 over 3. Then times, 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Don't forget, we've been able to establish that we prioritize multiplication first according to this rule. So if you prioritize multiplication, what we are going to be having is, we are going to be, okay, there's no need for us to multiply 7 by 3. 3 can cancel 3 here. So basically what we are going to be having, so this is 3 here, 1, and 3 in 3, 1. So we now have what? 3 over 2 plus 7 times 1, that is what? 7 over 4 times 1, that is 4, minus 1 over what? 2. So the next thing is, we have been able to establish the use of the BODMAS. So let's go back again. Do we have brackets? No. Order, division? No. Multiplication? The next thing is addition and subtraction. And if you remember in the previous video, I said when you have addition and subtraction in the same set of numbers, we can merge them together as one, meaning that we can do both of them together. So in this case, all we just need to do is, what is the LCM of 2, 4, 2? We can pick 4, because 2 can go in 4 and 4 can also go in 4. So if we take the LCM of this, the LCM in this case will be 4. 2 in 4, 2 times 3, that is 6, plus 4 in 4, 1 times 7, that is 7, then minus what? 2 in 4, 2 times 1, that is what? 2. So if you take it, 6 plus 7, 13, and 13 minus 2, that will give us what? 11. That is 11 over 4. This is an improper fraction. So how many 4 can we see in 11? We can see 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12. So that's 2. So that will give us 2 whole number. 4 times 2, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 3 over what? Over 4. Somebody may be like, how did I get it? We have what? 11 over 4. How many 4 can you see in 11? That it will go with respect to remainder, it can only go twice, right? So then it will have a remainder of what? Remainder of what? 3. So that is 3 then over 4. So 4 times 2, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's how we got 11. 2 number 3 over 4. I believe this video has helped someone. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment. If there's a need for improvement, we are open to that. See you in the next video. Thank you.